Find or read reviews that people are talking about Yellow Jacket Garage Creeper Seat, 2-in-1 Mechanic Stool. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. 2-in-1 Creeper Design. This ZC seat effortlessly switches between creeper and seat modes with a simple pin lock. Low profile slides easily under vehicles, while seat mode eliminates stooping, protecting your back and knees during long repairs. Heavy-duty steel construction. Built with a robust steel frame and dual support columns in seat mode for superior stability. Supports up to 330 pounds or 150 kilograms, it resists bending, deformation, and tipping for reliable shop use. 360-degree swivel casters. Equipped with smooth rolling, non-marring polyurethane wheels for effortless mobility. Glides seamlessly on concrete and garage floors, ideal for maneuvering around or under vehicles. Comfort and easy maintenance. Features a thick, comfortable cushion with a waterproof and oil-resistant surface for easy wipe clean after messy jobs. A built-in headrest helps alleviate pressure on your lower back and knees. Space-saving and versatile. Features a compact foldable design for easy portability and storage to save garage or workshop space, perfect for auto repair, detailing, and maintenance. Great for DIYers, hobbyists, and occasional auto maintenance. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.